lento yokuthi lokhu kuthiwa mina kuthiwa kuyabonga ukuthi ngisize Chiefs nani ayingiphathi kahle, iyanginyanyisa nje in fact, yabo. Mina na leyo team yeni leyo, we are not in good terms, yabo. We are not in good terms. Because yabo njengamanje bakhombisa ukungixhaphasa nje kahle. Bakhombisa nje ukungithatha kancane, yabo. Because mina kuyimanje kuyakhonjwana lo uthiwanikeza lo imali, lo uthiwanikeza lo imali, kuthiwa imali yadliwa, kuthiwa akaze ikhokhwe, kuthiwa yakhokhwa. Khona izinto eziningi anandaba naleyo nto, yabo. But mina nje into mina ngayilwa from day one, mhlawumbe into eyangicika eyazenza ukuthi mina ngibablock emafonini nami is because bacela kumina ukuthi ngibasize. I did, but they did not recognize me. They did not give credit where it's due, yabo. I don't care about money, yabo. They know very well. They know they came to me, it's actually only 2 weeks. They came to me because I said iSundowns bazoyishaya. Then bahamba futhi bayo-check, bathola ukuthi izobashaya iPirates. Yes, they were desperate, babethukile because it was almost 10 years bengaqubuli, right? But ndoda, because wena uthena sizokhona ukuyishaya iSundowns, how about you assist us ukuze sishaye in iPirates, yabo? Okay, ngathi mina it's only 2 weeks left. Akusiwona umlingo lo, wes mina ngisebenza ngamanzi, ngisebenza ngomuthi. Amanzi takes time, yabo. I had to leave la eDurban ngo-12 ebusuku going to Johannesburg eNashville ngiyobasiza. Mina I came back ngigula, kunefamasi emhlanga evula 24/7. Ngigula ngishaya ekhanda, izinto engangenzani ngiyikhipha lapha yana. But yet mina was not recognized. Kwathatha trophy yahamba kwayobonga kwenye indawo. I'm not saying ukuthi akaze bebasiza, kodwa ngikusho ukuthi ke ngicela yabo nje ivese niyeke lento yokuthi lokhu nizoyikhuluma into le, because I never thought ukuthi kuzofika to a point where I will support a team edlala neChiefs because bangidinile, banginyangisile, yabo. Kodwa ke mina yabona mina sengithuke kakhulu. Mina sekukhulunywa zonke izinto ngami. Mina nje ngivala umlomo. Mina uNkulunkulu mina engihamba naye akusinto okudlala. I'm going to tell you, yabona this agreement yokuthi iChiefs win, I had to talk to God. Ngathi mina uNkulunkulu ngithumile lo mhlaba ukuthi kumele ngiwushintshe umhlaba ukholele emanzini because sebesebenzisa umuthi kakhulu and izolonakela. However, this is the most followed and supported team. Imagine if I can assist this team kuze kwazi ukuwina ama-trophy amaningi. Ngisho kuthiwa kuvele manje ukuthi I'm the one who assisted them, but ngisho kuthiwa kuvela after 10 years. And abantu if bethola ukuthi I assisted them ngamanzi against ama-team asebenzisa imithi, abantu bazobona amanzi ukuthi anamandla and people will start to believe emanzini. Boom, the world will start to believe ukuthi amanzi ayasebenza ngempela, because umuthi asisho ukuthi phela kuhlezi ukhona omubi njalo, kodwa esikusho ukuthi it's better if abantu bezokhoyela emanzini because kuzolimisa izinto eziningi, ukuthethula kwamadlozi, ukuthakathwa kwabantu, izigubhu nezithwalo, yonke leyo nto leyo izophela because it seems as if ngathi wonke umuntu is invested kuleyo nto leyo. So do you see ukuthi ukuyocela amandla mina uNkulunkulu okukhona ukuthi ngisize Kaizer Chiefs, it was an agreement between me and God. And one day angithi yabona manje kusesemnandi futhi yabona ukuthi ihlangene into yabo, yabona nje iSundowns izokwazi uyibambe phansi, ubone ukuthi iSundowns bayicishile, yabona ukuthi kuhlangene. Kodwa ke mina ngizokuyelela uNkulunkulu konke. ngikulela uNkulunkulu, and when they decide to phone me besho ukuthi ndoda madoda senze iphutha kanje nasi, and futhi ngizonitshela la uma ukuthi bawukhona ukwenza lokho, because seemingly shuthi kade bebetray inyanga and they think mhlambe mina ngenyanga, angisiyona inyanga mina, kade shuthi inyanga shuthi ngapha izinto bephinde bopheke lapha, because babiza abantu befuna usizo kubantu, then abakwenza kusuke bemele bekwenza. Shuthi ke njengamanje bona they chose the easy side, the hard side bayiyekela. Nasi mina bawungibheka beze bengithola, and futhi bawuhlawula ngazi ngeenkomo engaka, futhi lezo nkomo lezo ngiyifuye siyozidla nje nomphakathi wangakithi enguthandayo, so zidla lezo nkomo lezo ngoba bazobe bezogeza igama lami abaxhoba ngenyama, bazobe bezogeza idlozi lami nengelosi yami yasebenza. Yabona abafana ngihamba nabo siyolandela amanzi kwenye indawo ngengisho ukuthi kuphi, sasentabeni le ntaba it takes you 30 minutes ukuya phansi, umbuya it takes you i-hour ukubuya, because is stiff leyo ndaba leyo. Bahle abafana ngebephinde bathi hayi ndoda amadoda ngesiphinde sinakuzana le ntaba leyo, saphinde saqhubeka saya kwenye indawo. Okubhlungu umuntu owuyena ongidrivelayo uyasebenza, uvuka ekuseni ngo5 safika la ngo4 asazicollect amanzi ayi1, but mina I'm proud, ngingadinwa kodwa I'm proud ukuthi ngiyabona, and futhi I know umsebenzi wami nabo laba abaclaim ukuthi umsebenzi wabo, they know very well, they know deep down, they know ukuthi umsebenzi wami lo ya. But again, it's not about breaking, but ngiyathanda ukwenza kanje ama video ehlale, because social media does not forget. One day kuzovela, and kuzomela beligeze igama lami, because before they came they were phoning me, but once they lifted the trophy angisafonela, and maybe they thought this is all about money, ukuthi hayi mesimkhokhela imali mesimthe sizomkhokhela. It's not about money, this is about changing the world. Mina nginandaba nabo, I love them as a team, I loved them as a team or as a club, but mina yabo ingakho ngena zonke lezi ziba lezi ngikhipha izithwalo, ngihambe izintaba lezi ngikhipha izithwalo, mina ngizosho umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu la, and namanje abangabona, but social media does not forget. One day umhlaba niyobona usuqondile, uyabona. So angisho ukuthi ubani owenza ukuthi kwangenzeka kwafika mina kwenzeka, kodwa they know very well who did the job, they know very well, they know very well. I'm not going to mention names, but all of them they know, all of them they know very well. I'm not happy, and ingelosi yami is not happy, but yami ingelosi ngoba ihlambuluke kakhulu, isibhaxo sakhona siza kancane. Okubhlungu abantu abazosafarisha ama-fans eKaizer Chiefs because they love the Chiefs, and I know that because nami I was a Kaizer Chiefs fan until they betrayed me, yabo. Ngicela niyekele lento yama-comment la ekusinethi hayi since kwafika wena FNB iyangicika mina I'm all about umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu, iyangicika lento because it brings me pain, yabo. Ngase nje nayideliver lo pain leyo, yabo. Kodwa kushuthi i-technique lena uNkulunkulu ebengifisa sisenze ngayo ukuthi abantu sibenze bekholelwe emanzini ngendlela ukuthi sikhona ukubakhombisa ukuthi maybe out of 36 teams asebenzisa umuthi ngingafika mina namanzi and kusebenza. Sizohlala phansi, we will find another technique, but definitely we need to change the world. The world must become a better place, and the mercy lungs and amanzi. That's what I've been sent for in this world. Kubhlungu ukuthi mina ngidinwa kanje na yabo, ngidinwa ngihleka nje, kodwa khona one day they will come back.